Hi there and welcome back to Timeless Wisdom. It's such a pleasure to see you here again. I hope you're feeling at ease and open to some gentle inspiration, because today we're going to explore simple ways to make your home feel more peaceful and organized. When you look around, you might notice a bright and inviting space. But here's the secret. It's not about big, exhausting cleaning sessions or spending all day tidying up. It's the small, everyday habits that truly make a difference. Today, I'll be sharing the top 10 daily routines that help seniors keep their homes neat and comfortable. And the best part? These habits are easy to follow and don't require much time or effort. Whether you live by yourself or share your home with loved ones, these tips can help reduce your stress, save you energy, and turn your house into a true retreat. So, grab your favourite drink, find a comfy spot, and join me as we walk through these practical and achievable steps together. Let's make your home a place where you can relax, recharge, and enjoy every moment. Are you ready to get started? Let's jump right in. Number 1. They start their day by making their bed. The very first thing many seniors with clean homes do each morning is make their bed. This simple act does more than just straighten sheets. It's a powerful psychological boost. Imagine waking up to a neat, inviting bed. It instantly signals that the day is starting with order and purpose. It reduces visual clutter in the bedroom, making the whole room feel calmer and more restful. Plus, making your bed sets a positive rhythm for the rest of the day. It's like telling yourself, I've already accomplished something important today, and that motivation carries through every task after. Number 2, they do a quick morning tidy up. Right after waking up, seniors with clean homes dedicate about 5 to 10 minutes to a quick tidy up in their most used spaces, usually the kitchen and living room. This isn't about deep cleaning, but simple actions like wiping down countertops, putting dishes in the dishwasher, or folding any stray blankets on the couch. Why? Because taking care of these small messes early prevents clutter from growing during the day. It's like hitting the reset button, so every surface feels fresh and inviting. The home feels ready for the day's activities, and that keeps energy and mood positive. Number 3, they put things back right away. Another daily habit is putting things back immediately after use. Seniors with tidy homes don't leave glasses, books, or keys lying around. They return each item to its designated spot. This simple habit might seem small, but it's incredibly effective. It stops clutter before it even starts, making their homes easier to navigate and clean. Imagine the difference between searching for your reading glasses for 10 minutes versus always knowing exactly where they are because you put them away each time. It saves time, stress, and keeps spaces orderly. Number 4, they wash dishes after every meal. Seniors with clean kitchens wash dishes right after eating instead of letting them pile up. This habit prevents dirty dishes from turning into a mountain that's overwhelming to tackle later. It keeps the sink and counters clean and prevents unwanted pests like ants or fruit flies from showing up. Beyond hygiene, it creates a visually tidy kitchen that invites cooking and enjoying meals without the stress of mess lingering. This habit also helps maintain good kitchen hygiene, which is especially important as we age. Number 5, they do a daily declutter check. Every day, seniors with clean homes take a moment to declutter. This usually involves sorting mail, recycling unwanted papers, and tidying any small clutter hotspots. It's a simple habit that prevents paper piles and junk from building up, which can quickly turn a clean home into a chaotic one. This daily declutter check ensures surfaces stay clear and organised, making the space feel lighter and more manageable. It also helps prevent that feeling of overwhelm when you suddenly see a pile of unopened mail or forgotten papers. Number 6. They keep a donation box handy. Another habit is keeping a donation box easily accessible. Seniors who maintain clean homes regularly identify items they no longer use or need and place them in this box. This ongoing awareness helps prevent unnecessary accumulation of belongings, creating more space for the things that truly matter. It's not about decluttering once a year, but doing a little bit every day. This mindset fosters generosity and keeps the home feeling open, calm, and intentional. Number 7. They sweep or vacuum high-traffic areas daily. High-traffic areas like kitchens, hallways, and living rooms get extra attention. Seniors with clean homes often sweep or vacuum these spots daily to keep dust, dirt, and crumbs from accumulating. Doing this regularly stops dirt from spreading through the house and makes weekly cleaning easier. Plus, it keeps floors looking and feeling fresh, which is comforting when you walk barefoot or with slippers around your home. Number 8. They handle laundry in small, frequent loads. Rather than letting laundry pile up, seniors with clean homes handle smaller loads frequently. This habit avoids overwhelming piles of clothes that can cause stress or clutter. It also makes folding and putting away laundry a lighter task. Less time spent, more frequent laundry means fresh clothes are always at hand and closets don't overflow, keeping the home feeling organised and neat. Number 9. They clean as they go. When cooking or doing any household tasks, they clean as they go. Spills are wiped immediately, utensils are rinsed and placed in the dishwasher, and counters stay clear. This habit prevents messes from building up and turning into a daunting chore later. It also creates a more hygienic and pleasant environment, reducing bacteria growth and unpleasant smells. Number 10. They end the day with a quick evening sweep. Before going to bed, seniors spend a few minutes doing a light tidy-up. This includes fluffing pillows, folding throws, putting away items left out, and turning off unnecessary lights. This gentle evening routine creates a sense of closure to the day and ensures the home is calm and welcoming for a restful night's sleep. Waking up to an orderly home reduces morning stress and invites positive energy for the day ahead. Those are the 10 simple habits that seniors with clean, organised homes follow every day. What I love most about these habits is that they don't require hours of hard work, expensive cleaning tools, or complicated routines. Instead, they're all about making small, intentional choices, little actions that add up over time. When you start incorporating even 1 or 2 of these habits into your daily life, you begin to feel a shift. Your home feels lighter, more peaceful, and easier to manage. And as you stay consistent, that feeling grows until maintaining a clean, calm environment becomes second nature. Just remember, creating a peaceful home isn't about being perfect or trying to change everything overnight. It's about making steady progress, one small step at a time. Every tiny improvement matters. You truly deserve a living space that uplifts you and fills your days with comfort and happiness. Why not start today? Choose one simple habit that feels right for you, and watch how it can gradually bring more harmony and ease to your home and to your mood. Thank you so much for joining me here on Timeless Wisdom. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and join our community for more helpful tips to make your everyday life a little brighter. And I'd love to hear from you. What's one daily habit you already practice, or one you'd like to try? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Take care, keep your home cozy, and I'll see you in the next video here on Timeless Wisdom.